Hi guys, I'm going to do a little video about where I find some of my very crazy, strange heirloom tomato seeds. Some of them I create, like my Summer Love and my Love Apple, but others I find through the Seed Savers Exchange. I am a member. You have to become a member of this organization in order to get this compendium of seed listings. All of these seeds are not available from a company per se. They're available from individual members of Seed Savers Exchange. And to give you an idea of the amount of tomato varieties that you can get through Seed Savers Exchange, in this particular encyclopedia, the tomatoes start here and they end here. All of these pages, a thick, almost 1 inch of pages, are devoted to tomato varieties. And then when you look on each page, there's got to be 10, 12 tomato varieties listed on each page. And within the tomato variety pages, there's no color photos, because you're supposed to be a true tomato geek and plant lover in order to be a member. This paragraph listing here, this one is for a tomato called John Bear, B-A-E-R. This tomato is available through quite a few different Seed Savers Exchange members. Right there, if you can see that. All of the acronyms and abbreviations are the people that you send a self-addressed stamped envelope to, plus $2-3, and they will send you 10, 15 John Bear tomato seeds. So that's why if you were to Google some crazy esoteric varieties like the two that I have that you can't find anywhere else except through this book, are Black Bear and Indira Gandhi. I will keep getting requests for seeds from those. I don't sell them. I buy those seeds, I plant them out, and then I save the seeds myself, and then I grow them for future generations and to sell at my tomato plant sale. But if you really want to delve into some crazy open pollinated heirloom tomato seeds and other fruit and vegetable seeds, become a member of Seed Savers Exchange. Okay, that's it for now. Bye-bye.